Okay, so just hopped into this roof. It's an old roof, and you know, you're always amazed at what you see in old roofs, but there's lots of rubbish up in the roof and that everywhere, and we've gone around and done the downlights. There's a couple of downlights. We've put the bats around. You'll notice there's some foil over one part of the roof because they put a new roof on, but they didn't bother putting the roll blanket on the rest of the roof, so it's pretty pointless putting it on one part and not doing the rest, even though it is R1.5 and that. So and the other thing is, notice these bits of timber that run from the top down to the bottom. They're actually supporting the roof, I think, all the way through, so they've been put in afterwards. And so this roof's in really bad condition, so I've got to be very careful going through here. See the snake skins, and that's a new extension up in there, so that looks okay up in there, but we'll get up in there and we'll pump all of that. So yeah, but you can see here the old tongue and groove timbers are all warped, and they're all bowing in the middle. They've actually put a new plaster roof underneath this, so this is, you don't see that from underneath, but this is all in very bad condition. So actually, if you can see, I'll just move around here. If you can see on the ground there's wasp nests and everything, but all of this timber here is all just wrecked. So this is the ceiling. So anyway, I mean, that's all got a second ceiling under it already, so it doesn't really matter, and we'll just pump over the top of it, and that'll keep the termites and things out of it for a bit, and we'll go from there.